All right, guys, here's what I got to pour down my drain. This stuff here, okay? And this is what I'm gonna get. Pour it down right now, and we're gonna go downstairs and do it. Damn it. Let's sink down a little bit more. All right, so there you go. I poured the stuff down, Dick. We'll wait till tomorrow morning. And hey, here's Dick and I doing time lapse of cleaning up earlier tonight. All right, guys, I'm back at Home Depot here, and to deliver this thing, the snake did work. We got the drain unclogged, so let's go take it in and give it back to him. All right, guys, I'm back. I think this thing is, we're going to test it real quick to make sure that it doesn't flood. So let's check that out now. Still doing it. Unbelievable. Okay, this is making me very, very angry. I just snaked it. I put stuff down there. It was working fine, and now it's not working. All right, guys, you can see the water down there, and it's draining really slowly. Let me show you. All right, see, now watch it go down. Watch it go down. It goes down really super slow. So it's obviously got a clog, but how deep? And I've already snaked. All right, so I've had one plumber come out and with Anthony's here in Kansas City, and they didn't even want to touch it. They think it might be a P-trap. I've got a rotor-rooter on the way, and I had a good, at this point, I'm into about $90 and still haven't fixed it. We'll see what the plumber wants. Susie Cusius, what are your thoughts about this plumbing issue we're having? I'm going to try to snake this out one last time until the plumber gets here, just to see if I can get it to work. Doubtful, very doubtful, so let's give it a shot. Now I'm going to unscrew the screw here so I can get the snake to come out. So now we're going to try to feed it down in the hole and see until we get to the corner and see if I can get resistance. Now those two did not work. Either one tried. I tried them both twice. Did not work. All right, guys, we finally got Roto-Rooter out here, and a total bill between Home Depot and Roto-Rooter is exactly $300. What this little clog in your drain cost me, or in my drain, it cost me. So I'm going to demonstrate it one more time to make sure we're good. Let's see if this works. so good. Now keep in mind, this cost me $300, but a couple of things I did learn from here. The clog was almost 15.5 feet down the line, and it was sludge, they said. So I guess the one thing we can learn from this is to put the pipe cleaner stuff in there every month. That would probably save me the $300. So lesson learned and game over. So hey, thanks for watching. If you like this stuff, please subscribe. We're gonna do more of this kind of stuff. We do need your feedback and help. So please leave a comment and tell me what we can do better, what you liked, what you didn't like, and please share this out with your friends and family if you think it's worth their value. All right, peace.